Sango Flight TG6853. Bound for Siargao, please board your flight number gate 25A. We're calling attention of Ms. Rhea Alvarado, Ms. Camille Alenga, Mr. Kizo Canay, Mr. Ernesto Panancillo Jr., Mr. Nick Matthew Perez, and 40. If you're not ready board number gate 25A, Ms. Marie Helen Civil, please board your flight number gate 25A.
You're calling for the lost two remaining passengers bound for the one of flight PR2335, passenger DJ Basteliote, Ernesto Manvas, passenger Nacionales Edwin, can board now gate number 25. And we're calling for the lost two remaining passengers bound for Cagayan de Oro, floating aeronauts flight PR2315, passenger May Dalmon, passenger Lau Alat, passenger Philip Defard, passenger Rachel Sanchez, can board now gate number 25.